Congratulations on your wedding. If you choose to take a new name, you've got a number of different options. You can either take your spouse's surname in a direct swap with your current surname, or you can add your spouse's surname to your current surname, separate the two names by either a space or a hyphen, and the names can appear in either order. You also have the choice of leaving your name as it is. If you want to change any part of your first or middle names, then you'll need to apply for a legal name change with births, deaths and marriages. I'm Jen from Easy Name Change, and since 2008, we've helped over 500,000 people around the world transition to their new name. So the only document you need to get started with your new name is your full marriage certificate, the one that's issued by Births, Deaths, Marriages, not the ceremonial certificate issued to you on the wedding day. Most organisations will need to see a copy of your marriage certificate as evidence of your old and new names. A lot of organisations will accept a photocopy, but some will insist on you sending in a certified copy. Now, all up, there's about 2 or 3 places you must go to in person, and there's no name change service that can help you with that. You'll just have to take a few hours off work and visit your state road authority to get your driver's licence issued, and you'll need to visit any banks that you do business with that have large branch networks like Bendigo, Commonwealth, Westpac. For all the other organisations, you can change names remotely. You can generally send in a photocopy or certified copy of your marriage certificate together with an email or a letter or that company's special name change form. Now, the only way to find out what documents to send where and how to send it to each company is to get on the phone or live chat and contact each company and ask them. Or else you can use a high-end name change kit where you can choose all the different organisations and get personalised, ready to send documents. If you've got any tricky questions, then Easy Name Change has got the answers. Drop us an email at askme@easynamechange.com or visit us online at www.easynamechange.com.au.